Alright, so to get to the Rusted Door in Mount Zozo, you gotta go to Miranda. By a thief, you'll see this white bird, and then he'll get up and fly over here. Once he flies over here, this is where the bird is at, okay? Where he's facing. Once he flies over there, you get back in the airship and you go fly over there. Then you talk to the guy right outside the end. He looks like a thief with a blue bandana on his head and a brown suit. Alright, now to pick up where we left off, you see where that bird is? I can't record and do everything at once, so hold on. That's it. Now you can go out to Mount Zuzu, all the way on top, and then you can recruit Cyan.